Hey guys, going to do a quick update on the 96 GTI restoration. As you can see here, I've got my engine alignment tool in. We aligned the engine. Sorry for the dark video, but we got the engine aligned. We got our exhaust in. I had to replace this clamp here. You got to be real careful with these type of clamps. If you over tighten them, wrong spec, they get bent, and the threads on this got all gnawed up. Especially on this one here. You can see they're all bad. So that's pretty much garbage. There's also this style, doesn't have the Y piece. They're two separate pieces as opposed to this one. But they're the same size. Either style will work. But I got the Y piece in there, another one that's like this in there. So I'll save this for a different project. But for now, they're both just going in there. Here is my drive shaft for the GTI. We'll get that in, but we're waiting on our carrier bearing. I'm not going to run a carbon seal. I'm going to switch to carrier bearing with this. So we're waiting for a carrier bearing from OSD Marine. So waiting for that. We got our oil lines ran. And we're all set. All I have left to do is a line for the pisser. Gas lines are all hooked up. Carbs are in. But yeah, sorry for it's getting dark here and bad lighting. I've been wrenching away, but we'll give this one a good wash. We'll give both of these a good washes. Get the water out of the footwells, get them cleaned up. Throw some packets in there for moisture for storage, and these will be going to storage soon. So and come spring, we'll get mats on this. We'll get new seat covers. We'll get our registration decals. We'll get a new hood scoop. And we'll be set. And then we'll run our bilge pump. Got my outlet right there. Just like I did for the GTX. So yeah, that's where we're sitting at with the GTI. So both of these bad boys will be winterized and put in storage. Yeah, and I'll order a mini tack, one of these for that as well. And a shout out to Peter Rucinski at Fox Valley Powersports for that engine. Literally, I asked him if he had any 720s good to go, and within a week and a half I had that bad boy. He does not disappoint at all. So I'm just sad that I won't get to fire it up this season. We just turned it over, put fogging oil in it, and it'll be sent off to storage. We don't even have gas in the tank, so that's where we're at with the GTI. We'll go over here to the SPXs. I uploaded a video, pretty much done with this one. This is the 951. Just put fresh spark plugs in it. You want to go with NGK. And let's see, where's that number? There we go. BR8ES and the number is 3961. That is the solid cap. These caps are solid. They don't twist off. The other ones will twist off and just have low resistance. But that thing is looking nice in there. So Ben will get the carbs in, get the gas lines hooked up. He'll get his electrical done. He'll finish the water lines. I will short some of this blue line. And we've got a carrier bearing hose, but we're waiting for the carrier bearing itself from OSD. Come on, Nick Grillo, I need my carrier bearings. But yeah, that's where we're sitting at. I got the water lines here ran for the intake and the pisser. And I need to get a Y piece. So that'll go up. These three pieces will get mated together, and then this one here will feed the water regulator. I need a water regulator. So she's a beaut, and gotta represent. Got the tramp stamp on there. GC Extreme, guys. So tomorrow we'll get this thing washed up and we'll haul it down to Ben's. And I'll probably do a recording of Ben's reaction when he sees it. So stay tuned for that. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.